Hello my friend, welcome back to the channel. I've been getting asked a ton over on Instagram to create another cleaning for a client video, and I am so grateful that this client has allowed me to film her home. So first of all, let's give her a shout out, give this video a thumbs up as she's allowing me to film her home for the whole world to see. Not that the whole world's gonna see it, but you know what I mean. I'm going to be sharing some cleaning tips for you as a professional cleaner. I, of course, am using all non-toxic cleaning products. I will do my best to link anything that I can down below. Of course, if you have any questions or anything like that that you would love to ask a professional cleaner, go ahead and drop them in the comments. So before we get right into the cleaning, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little house tour first, and then we will get into the motivation. Let's go. So this is the entryway of my client's house and what it looks like as soon as I walk in the door. As we make our way to this side of the house, we enter the primary bedroom. As you can see, this is the client that has the Tilly bed. One of my clients, actually I have numerous ones that have it, as well as my dream nightstands. I absolutely love these. Seriously, the wood is such a beautiful natural color. It is not too orange. It is just like the perfect medium tone. You can see this is the opposite side of the room. She has 2 pages curtains in here, which you guys know I absolutely love. I do actually still have a discount code with them. If you guys are interested, I will leave that link down below so you can get a discount off your entire custom curtains. Moving over here, I can't show you guys everything due to privacy reasons and personal items, but if we move over here, we obviously have their closet on this side, which I don't touch, and then we have the ensuite, which you guys have seen over on Instagram if you've been following me. I share this bathroom a lot. It is nice and large, and this is usually where I start my clean. So little cleaning tip is start at the back of the room, which again, in this case, it is this primary bathroom, and then we will actually work our way through the house going this way. That way, nothing is missed. You know every surface and everything is clean. And then for each room individually, you want to work top to bottom. So continuing through this way of the house, this leads into the seating area. So this is their seating area. You can see they have a kid, and so they do have some of the toys here. Everything is kept really minimal, which I love. Makes it a lot easier to clean, and as you can see, everything is picked up and tidy. So I am just here to clean. I am not here to pick up and tidy up the entire house. I'm just here again to clean. She has this beautiful antique hutch that I absolutely adore. And then moving here, don't mind the angle, again, just hiding some personal things. We move into the dining room and kitchen area. So you guys have seen this as well before. I've shared her kitchen, and this is it. Okay, I will quickly show you like the hallway area. I do clean this half of the house as well, but we're not going to show me actually cleaning it as this video would get way too long. So moving over here, we just have an office. So I just do a dust and then clean the floors in here. I do all the vacuuming and then mop the floors. Then they have their son's playroom and a bed. And again, we just do the floors in here and some dusting, nothing too crazy. Again, you can see everything is like tidied up and nice and organized. So makes it really, really easy to clean. Then they have over on this side their son's room. All I do in here again is dusting and wiping down of all of the surfaces, as well as cleaning the floors, vacuuming and mopping. The last room of the house is this bathroom, which I freaking love these floors. They are so easy to clean. And so you can kind of see, I will not be sharing this one on camera either, but you get an idea of what I am, well as the bathtub area. So everything gets a wipe, all of the wall tile, the bathtub, everything like that, which I will share when I do like the main bathroom or their primary bathroom. So that is a little tour of their house. Let's get to cleaning. All right, my friend, I gave you a quick house tour to show you what I'm dealing with and how my clients leave their homes for me to clean. You can see everything is tidied up and I am just here to deep clean. I'm bringing you along as I deep clean a home from start to finish, just like I do for my cleaning clients. I'm going to be sharing my professional cleaning methods, the best order to clean in, some cleaning tips and hacks, as well as my go-to non-toxic cleaning products. Let's get started. Starting off in the back of the house, the primary bathroom, pro tip, always dust first, working top to bottom, so think ceiling fans and shelving, and then working your way down to the baseboards and around the room. This ensures that nothing is missed and everything gets cleaned. All right, so that is step one. We just went through and quickly dusted everything. Literally took me less than 5 minutes to do that quick dust. Otherwise, you're just kind of pushing dirt around and let's be honest, it's no fun. Now, I realized I forgot my spray bottle and I can't find one in her house. So we're gonna make do. Usually like to have a spray bottle because I am using all annual cleaning products, but I also use Force of Nature in the bathroom, so that won't be that big of a deal. The only thing will be when I am cleaning the mirrors, the shower, and that sort of thing. So let's go ahead and get to finishing cleaning this bathroom. My best hack for cleaning mirrors, windows, and glass shower doors is a squeegee. You can clean it as normal or just use a damp microfiber cloth and a squeegee. It's guaranteed to make your glass streak free. Even better if you own one to do after your own shower, as this will help prevent hard water stains as well as soap scum buildup. For wiping the surfaces, my favorite non-toxic cleaner is Force of Nature. This product is a natural non-toxic sanitizer and disinfectant that kills 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and mildew when used as directed. It actually kills viruses that causes flus, so in sick season, I love using it on high touch point areas like light switches as well. Little bonus, there's no chemicals, no toxic fumes, or residues to rinse. Both of these products can be found on Amazon and will be linked in the description. I did not show cleaning the toilet on camera, but you can also use Force of Nature on the toilet too. I have a specific microfiber cloth color that I use for the toilets only, and then the other colors I use for the rest of the bathroom or the kitchen or whatever area of the house that I'm cleaning. I don't think this is totally necessary, but I'm just weird like that. We have now moved into the opposite side of their primary bathroom and into the shower here, cleaning the glass door first before moving in and wiping the tiles on the shower walls and floors. I also love using the squeegee on the tile and floors to help move the water down the drain. Mold grows in wet environments, so it is so important to try to keep it dry at all times. Mold is one of those things where preventative measures are more important because once it comes, it's very difficult to remove it completely. Now, here are a few other ways to help prevent mold and mildew in your bathroom. Number one, increase the airflow. Use your exhaust fans and open up those windows. Number two, control the humidity and use a dehumidifier if necessary. You want your levels at around 50%. Third, you can use vinegar, baking soda, or even hydrogen peroxide. Just make sure you are reading your labels. But spraying these on mold can actually help to slow down its growth. And fourth, if mold continues to come back over and over, replace your caulking. The old caulk may be trapping moisture, so simply remove it and replace it with mold-resistant caulking. Now, as you can see, I'm not doing any tidying as we've moved into the master bedroom here. We are just getting to the cleaning. Again, dusting first, top to bottom. Little cleaning hack: if you do not have the habit of making your bed daily, I want to strongly suggest that you add it in. It does not take long, takes minimal effort, but makes a massive impact, making your bedroom appear to be cleaner. Little side note, This is the Viral Tilly bed and the Viral Celine dresser nightstands from Wayfair, and I seriously love them both. They are so easy to clean and look so beautiful. These nightstands are solid wood and the tone is just perfect. They're like my dream. I will have them linked in the description, but if you are ever wanting links to anything, make sure you follow me over on LTK as well as my Amazon storefronts. I'm consistently posting there, especially when there's sales, as your girl doesn't like to pay full price and neither should you. And I also do post about the sales on my Instagram stories as well. Anyway, back to cleaning. The floors are always last. I do use my Rainbow Vacuum as it not only has the best suction, but also purifies the air as well. Plus, you can put essential oils in the base of it to help give you a fresh, non-toxic scent, as when you are using non-toxic cleaning products, you simply don't get that fresh, clean smell, which honestly, I love scents. I just don't like the chemicals and Vox that they release. So when it comes to adding in a scent and it can also be non-toxic, it is a huge win. I'll be sure to link my favorite non-toxic essential oils down below as well. And for my mop, I am using the Enyo mop, which I really do love, but she's an investment and I've mentioned it before, but I am moving away from using Enyo products. I will leave a link to a similar mop option down below that is a fraction of the price. If you're finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel as a smaller creator and helps more people like you to find this video who may find value in it or want to learn how to clean. I'd also love for you to join our growing YouTube family if you haven't already. We are so close to 10K and I'd love to have you here. I share all things home inspiration and motivation with a focus on cleaner living. Okay, so I just went around and dusted the rest of the house. So the rec room, the dining room, the kitchen, all of the bedrooms, so like the playroom, the office, as well as their son's room and the bathroom. So I did that off camera. I'm gonna do a vacuum here in the areas and then I will show you how to clean the kitchen. The process is the same for every single room. So again, you're just working top to bottom, start at the back of the room and work your way around so that nothing is missed. Dusting first and then going in if you have like a multi-surface cleaner or like the Force of Nature, which is a disinfectant as well as a sanitizer while also being non-toxic. So you're gonna go in with your cleaner and then you're always going to do the floors last. One of my biggest cleaning tips is to put your chairs up when you're cleaning your floors. Also, if you have any pets, grab the hair that accumulates underneath them and throw it on the floor to be vacuumed up. This is a spot that a lot of people forget to clean or simply don't think about cleaning it, but you'd be surprised how much pet hair, dust, and grime accumulates in such a small spot. All right, let's tackle the mess in the kitchen. You'll know I'm a firm believer in a more minimalist, simple home approach as it just makes your life so much easier, but like especially in the kitchen. Starting at the top, light fixtures and hood range, then moving down to the countertops, wiping the cabinets and drawers and appliances, and then the baseboards and floors last. Pro tip, always clean kitchen surfaces in this order: dishes, countertops, appliances, then floors. This avoids spreading crumbs and bacteria all over your freshly cleaned surfaces. My favorite non-toxic multi-surface spray that I use in my personal home is from Sage, the same place I get my essential oils from. They sell a great multi-surface cleaner as well. I use the multi-surface cleaner on everything: countertops, stove, and exterior appliances, cabinets, drawers, like literally everywhere and anywhere, as well as in my dining room. Highly, highly recommend it. notice, I'm wiping down everything on the counters as well prior to wiping the counters themselves. This is where a decluttered kitchen comes in handy. The more stuff you have, the more stuff you have to clean, care for, and maintain. It's really that simple. While I'm not a minimalist, when I first heard that, let me repeat it. Everything in your home is something you have to clean, care for, and maintain. It honestly hit me like a ton of bricks, and this is a minimalist tip I do swear and live by. Now, when it comes to cleaning the sink and actually the stovetop too, I do like to use a scrub and marble paste. In my personal home, I love using the Scrub Daddy brand. It is super affordable, easily accessible at your local stores or even on Amazon, which is where I get mine from, and it helps it to shine like no other. Truthfully, I also use this stuff in my bathtub if there is just grime and soap scum that's difficult to come off. Rather than breaking my arm scrubbing it, I just let this marble paste do all the work for me. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this as I took you on the journey of cleaning a client's house with me. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out as a smaller creator and lets me know that you guys like this kind of content. Make sure that you follow along for more cleaning and homemaking motivation, as well as simple home inspiration and motivation. As a professional cleaner, I am all about making things, number one, super easy to clean and easier to manage, especially if you're a busy working mom. That's all I have for you. I hope that you enjoyed. We will see you in my next one. Bye.